Aeroseal is a commercial duct sealing solution. It seals leaking ducts from the inside. This means there is no breaking of the walls or ceilings. The Aeroseal process pressurizes the duct, measures the leakage, and injects micron-sized sealant particles into the holes where the air was escaping, creating a seal that will last for the lifetime of the duct. Most Aeroseal commercial jobs start with our equipment being unloaded near the building's mechanical room, on a rooftop, or at a previously determined injection site. The major components of Aeroseal equipment include the fan box, compressor, computer and wand cases, and a scrubber fan. Before any seal process begins, a thorough review of the space is conducted, starting with an inspection of the ductwork. During the initial walkthrough, the locations for injection will be determined. It is very important to work with facility managers to make sure they are informed of the injection sites and to alert them to any other temporary changes that may affect the comfort of the building. Also, the fire alarm system should be put into bypass mode, and the fire department should be notified of the work being performed. Before any injection of sealant can begin, all registers must be blocked. Diffusers will need to be removed for blocking. It is critically important that all blocking is airtight. Blocking can be done several different ways. General best practice is to use closed cell blocking foam. The foam should be cut 1/2 inch oversized in both length and width of the opening being blocked. Then stuffing the block into the hole will ensure the airtight fit needed. The Aeroseal sealing process starts with our equipment being set up directly at the first injection site. Lay-flat tubing should be cut to 2 or 3 foot length to comfortably reach from the fan box to the heater cylinder. The tubing is then connected on both sides using 14-inch clamps. The computer, which controls the entire Aeroseal operation, is set up and connected to the Smart Seal equipment. Be careful to keep it a safe distance from the sealant and heater fan. It is now time for the Aeroseal job to begin. An access hole is cut into the supply or return plenum, and a temporary collar is attached. The Aeroseal injection machine is connected to the duct system using a long, flexible plastic tube. You should know that there will be multiple injection points in most commercial Aeroseal jobs. At least one per vertical riser and at least one per each main horizontal trunk. It is also important to mention that some jobs can be completed in one day, while others may take several days, depending on the size of the building and number of injection points. The first step is to conduct a pre-seal test of your duct system being sealed. This test will tell you the initial rate of leakage prior to any sealing you perform. Once you have established the initial leakage rate, you can proceed with the sealing process. It is time to start sealing. The patented computer-controlled injection machine heats up adhesive particles suspended in liquid. As the particles are heated, they dry up and become suspended in air. The Aeroseal technology uses a fan to blow these small dry adhesive particles into the blocked duct system. The particles move through the ductwork at a constant rate of speed. As the particles approach a small hole, the air is forced into the small space as it tries to escape the ductwork. The particles stick to the side of the hole, and as more and more particles repeat this same action, the hole is soon filled. The Aeroseal process can seal holes as big as 5/8 of an inch without coating the ductwork. You will want to run scrubber fans to clean the air in case of any overspray. We took the initial leakage rate prior to sealing, and now we must take the final leakage rate after the process of sealing. This report tells us how well the process worked. After the post-seal test is complete, the technician removes the blocks from the diffuser and registers. All injection points are patched and the equipment is packed up. After all of that is complete, the HVAC is turned back on. A certificate of sealing results will be given to all Aeroseal customers. The certificate of completion states the initial leakage rate and the leakage rate after the seal job is complete, along with the graph representing the sealing process. Aeroseal is the most effective, affordable, and viable method of sealing ducts. Leaking ducts cost you money due to increased energy consumption, thermal loss, equipment overload, code violations, and airflow safety. Big or small buildings, light or heavy jobs, Aeroseal is the best commercial ductwork inspection, analysis, and sealing solution. If you want to know more about our innovative patented Aeroseal commercial duct sealing equipment, give us a call or visit our website for more videos, case studies, news and reviews, and much more.